Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can record the screen at the Samsung Galaxy A36 5G. First of all, let me tell you that you don't need to download an extra app for because you have already here a built-in screen recorder. Let me show you how you can use it. So just scroll down here below the battery symbol so that you're here at the control center and you will have some shortcuts. And if you scroll down here at the shortcuts, you will have some more shortcuts, and one of them is here the screen recorder, so the cam symbol. Just tap on it. So then you have some settings here like the sound sources, if you want to have no sound, if you just want to have the media sound, so the app sound, or if you want to have next to the media sound the microphone in case if you want to explain something. What is also useful if you want to make tutorials or something like this is here to show taps and touches. Because if you want to explain something, no one knows really where you have tapped the screen or which buttons you have pressed, and here you have a little animation for that. Okay, if you're ready with it, just tap here on the start recording text, and then you have a little countdown, and then the screen recording has started. You have as well here a little toolbar, which one is movable to any position here, and if it's still disturbing, by the way, you can just tap on the arrow and it's almost invisible here at the side. If you want to have it back, just swipe it outside and here it is. You have some tools here like the pen, in case if you want to explain something or mark something. That's pretty nice, but you can't navigate now here on the screen. So if you want to navigate again, just tap on the pen again, and now you can go also to other sites and so on. With the mannequin here, you have the chance to show yourself as well. So the front cam is enabled then. And yeah, here we have the pause symbol, so you can pause the video anytime and continue the same video if you tap on the red button again. Pretty nice. And to stop the whole video, just tap here on the square. That's the stop symbol. Pretty nice. By the way, if you're having a lot of screen recordings, it requires a lot of storage. So I recommend to you to minimize the video quality. For that, just scroll down here below the battery symbol, scroll down here at the shortcuts, as I've shown you, and then long press now the screen recorder icon. So and then you are here at the settings of the screen recorder, and here below you can choose the video quality. By default it's always on the highest one, so full HD, but if you make a lot of tutorials, the lowest one is as well okay, or at latest the medium one, it's still HD then. So yeah, just choose it if you make a lot of tutorials to save a bit here of your local storage. By the way, where to find your screen recordings after? Of course, here at the gallery and here at the pictures. You will find here your screen recordings directly after you have done them. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.